Guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a very important Bitcoin update because, as you know, Bitcoin has been moving sideways for a long time now, and I'm going to be showing you why I believe and why the chart is telling us that is about to change. Now, you can see we're just on the hour chart time frame here. In this video, I'm going to show you the key updated levels if you're planning on trading today or in the next 24 hours, so that will help. But I'm also going to go into the 4-hour, the daily, and beyond to show you exactly what's going on, because we are very close, dangerously close to a huge move. And I'm not talking about these 1 or 2% pumps. It's going to be something far greater. So stick through to the end. It's going to be it's going to be a valuable one. Quick smash of the like button down below, please, guys. It's far easier to hit a quick like than to make these videos, but let's be honest, I enjoy it and your support is amazing, so please subscribe as well. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about the 1-hour chart first of all. Very quick update here before we move on. What we're currently seeing is Bitcoin trading at $19,283. Now, the crucial levels right now on the smaller time frames are support being at the weekly level, $18,800. For those of you that aren't familiar with what a key price level is, a weekly level, where on the weekly chart you can see we have a red body of a candle, green body of a candle, that acts as support, and the opposite is going to cause resistance, and that resistance level is at $19,450. So where you have a green candle body and a red candle body, that acts as a resistance. And it's the same on any time frame. You can see the yellow line is a weekly, the green is a daily level, and the same is to be said. So this is where you get key price levels from, just in case you didn't know. Anyway, so we're trading between a weekly support, like I said, about 18,850 thereabouts, and you have a weekly resistance level about $19,440. Now, I talked about at the start of this video that we're going to be experiencing a big move. So all you need to do, guys, is zoom out a little bit further in this daily chart. In fact, we can remove the key price levels here. And the first pattern that you need to look at is this one. It's not hard to see that we are coming dangerously, and I mean dangerously close to the apex here. In fact, we may have at very best another 3 or 4 days. But generally speaking, as you may or may not know, we generally have a big move prior to reaching the end of resistance and support. This has been in play now since the 13th of September, so over 1 month long, and you can see it's been extremely boring price action. But something, in my opinion anyway, is about to change. Now, let me talk to you about something I've seen in the chart which actually indicates that Bitcoin is heading to the upside, and it's going to head to the upside in a big way. So I'm going to tell you exactly why and my prediction there, guys. Just wanted to make a very quick mention for those of you that have been asking me. Yes, I have started a trading team on PHEMEX. You can join the team. PHEMEX is a great platform, by the way. And this competition here, hopefully you'll be joining me, and we are going to try and win a prize pool of $750,000. This is my team. No pun intended. Okay, there is a pun intended. The Mars stars. Join us down below using the link in the video description, guys. When you use this link here, this one, you will get up to $4,500 bonus when you register and make a deposit as well. So you can join my team. We can trade together. And a little bit of a spoiler alert, myself and the community that we have in Trustpilot, so the Telegram trade signals, this is our bot, we will be using some of this to our advantage. So I expect huge gains. And if you're interested in learning more about automated trade signals, Trustpilot, where it's for complete beginners, it trades for you completely autonomously, manages risk and your returns. Anyway, check the link out down below for that. So yeah, Bitcoin right now, what I wanted to show you is this. And the proof in the pudding, the secret here, the secret sauce is what's going on with the bigger markets. And I'm going to go back to Bitcoin and show you how that reflects. But this is the S&P 500. And right now, the S&P 500, at least for the last, well, let's say for the last week, has been rallying. We've had a rally from the bottom to the top of about 8%, and that's quite big for the S&P 500. The kind of, let's say, the motive has changed. We know that there's bearish sentiment. We know that the Fed is fighting inflation, but how much of that now is priced in? We know that there's going to be another 75 basis point hike. We know that there's probably going to be another one following that. And this is what I mean. It's priced into the market. We know we're dealing with inflation. Could it get any worse? Maybe not. Maybe this is peak fear. And what we're currently seeing, if you zoom out on the S&P 500, which we know Bitcoin and crypto is heavily correlated with. Say what you want about Bitcoin, store of value, scarce. It's a digital form of money, and we buy Bitcoin to get away from the norm of the financial markets. Yes, but the big money that we need to come into crypto when we get regulation is watching what's going on with risk assets, which Bitcoin still is. Yes, S&P 500 is in a downward trend. However, you can see that we have bounced off the 0.5 fib level, basically Fibonacci retracement, guys. This is an important thing to understand in TA. Maybe you do. And if you do, you'll just take interest in the levels. We could come down to the golden pocket on the S&P 500, which would take us down to about $3,200, somewhere around that. And yes, we might find resistance off this 0.302, but my theory is we are probably now going to see a bit of a rally, at least back up to $3,800, and quite probably up to somewhere even maybe around $3,900, $400. The dollar has basically topped out. We've hit our marker of resistance, and when the dollar starts weakening again, this allows movement in the stock market, basically, and of course for Bitcoin. So I believe, and of course I'm topping this off with my Bitcoin technical analysis. Like I said, if you haven't seen this video, watch it, because I discuss and show you how October in every bear market has been the bottom. Do watch that video after this. But this is also something to consider. If we go into the daily chart here, you can see that this could be forming a huge W, right? If we break to the upside out of this, the target, and this is very bullish, I must say, the target is, and I'm not saying this would even get us out of the bear market, but it does take us up to about $24,000, okay? And the interesting thing about that is the following. If you look at our logarithmic chart, and I'll put it into perspective here in a moment, I'll zoom out and show you. If you come up to this ceiling here, it does take you up to about that $24,000 level. And going back into this chart, I showed you the key price levels on the smaller time frame. I didn't show it to you on the bigger time frame. And look at this. This is what is super interesting to see. We, of course, have a weekly level up at $24,000, and it's the last major level of resistance in the chart. We also have a monthly level at about 23,000. So I believe we are going to see a big rally in the short term throughout the rest of the year. A lot of people that have been in the market for a while will know about kind of the Santa rally, December rally. Markets tend to rally this time of the year, the last quarter. And I believe that's exactly what we're going to see. The downside here is minimal if you're talking about trading. Obviously, if we break kind of the $18,100 level, you know that it's game over. So you've got a very nice risk to reward ratio potential in the short term of 25% to the upside, maybe just 5 or 6% to the downside. So this is why I'm long. You can go onto PHEMEX, where I have a link in the video description down below, guys, and you can earn up to $4,500 for free when you sign up and make a deposit. Also, join our trading team, guys. We're going to do fantastically. I believe we're going to come in the prize pool, so hopefully you can join me in there, guys. And also, for any of you guys that don't really want to trade or understand trading but do want exposure to crypto profits, this is for complete beginners, guys. May I remind you of our brand new platform, Trustpilot Automated Trade Signals. This is where you can get signals on Telegram and Discord, trade them on autopilot. You do nothing, and it's a way of earning passive income. All the signals, guys, you can see come through to you on Discord. Oh, look, we had a take profit there on Algo just before. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm on Twitter at Marzell Trading. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, share, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.